I am Carmen Arsene, the president of National Federation for Animal Protection, Romania, but I would say that I am simply animal rights activist. The stray dog population, it's a problem for many years already, for about 20 years in Romania. The only solution for an efficient and real stray dog management is mass sterilization of the stray dogs and of the own dogs, identification, registering them, and keeping in the streets the dogs who are healthy and kind. And if this strategy is applied, in about 6 years, the stray dogs do not exist in the street anymore. It is very known that mass killing of dogs is not efficient, such as density of dog population in the street increased with rate of killing. So even after 20, 30, 100 years we'll have the same problem in the street. After the authorities saw that the stray dog population it is a problem, in 2001 they had a law for stray dog management, and they started to mass killing the dogs till 2008. In this period of 7 years, hundreds of thousands of dogs have been killed in all Romania. In 2008 it was a modification of the protection law, and it was prohibited to kill the dogs that are healthy. This was modified this year in September by the new law for stray dog management, when it is written that after 40 days the dogs have to be killed. The children and other compassionate people are very affected because of abuses against animals that they saw in the street, because of killing of dogs that are their companion. And it was concluded that 84% of the children are affected of what they saw in the street. If we speak about the legislation in the paper, everything or the most part seems to be very human. But in practice, in reality, the situation is opposite. Nothing have been respected. Even the process of adopting the dogs was not respected. The people could not adopt the dogs, or they asked for money to give the dogs back, or to adopt the dogs. It is like a kind of mafia. Any complaint of the citizens or the NGOs with regard to the illegal and cruelty management of the stray dogs run by municipalities finds the ignorance and complicity of the authorities that are responsible for monitoring the animal legislation. If we look inside of these dog shelters kept by municipalities, and you see the huge budgets that are allocated fictive on the paper, like for example even 200 euro per dog, and make a comparison, for example, with an NGO who treat the dog by neutering it, vaccination, keeping for about 7-14 days, and spend only 25 euro per dog, you can understand that actually this stray dog management it's only a business. So the authorities observe that after tens of years, when they killed masses of dogs, hundreds of thousands of dogs, and they spent fictively tens of millions of euro, the stray dog population increased, and their aim is actually to keep a constant stray dog population, to have what to manage, what to administrate, and to continuously allocate funds from local budget to manage the stray dogs. This money are actually used probably for election campaign, for political parties, or for other private reasons, but anyway, they don't go to the dogs.